Welcome back. State Congress spokesperson Sunil Kautankar has alleged that Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar is the master of drugs trade in Goa. Sunil Kautankar appeared before the crime branch in drug nexus matter. Sunil Kautankar, in his statement, has named 12 persons for being involved in drugs trade in Goa.
Following a summon by crime branch, State Congress spokesperson Sunil Kautankar on Monday appeared before the investigating officer DYSP Nilu Rao Desai. Kautankar was questioned for 1 hour. Later, Sunil Kautankar alleged that drug trade in Goa is flourishing with blessings of Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar and WRD Minister Dayanand Mandrekar.
In my entire this episode, accused is the Chief Minister, accused is the Minister, accused himself has ordered this inquiry. नरेंद्र मोदीची मेक इन इंडिया कॅम्पेन आसा न्हय ती इन अनदर सेन्स हांगा गोंयचो मुख्यमंत्री इम्प्लिमेंट करता. हांगा द वॉर इज गोईंग ऑन बिटवीन द फॉरेन ड्रग ट्रेडर्स एंड द लोकल ड्रग लॉबी. So this Chief Minister along with the WRD Minister, they are protecting a specific lobby. तुम्ही थोडे ते पयलीं तो पयला आसतलो फॉलावट एका नायजेरियनाचो सुद्दां मर्डर. So these people ultimately want to capture the drugs market.
He also alleged that he is being intimidated and his phone is being tapped from Gujarat.
My phones are being tapped from Gujarat. They are using the machinery from Gujarat police or some other machinery, but my phones are being tapped. Continuous 24/7 watch is being kept on me. And these are, you can make out, these are techniques of intimidation and harassment.
Meanwhile, anti-narcotics cell of Goa police on Sunday night arrested one Nigerian, namely Ifeanyi Patrick Aligwe, with cocaine worth 15 lakhs. Accused Nigerian had also forged his visa. Reporter Mukesh Kumar with video journalist Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
Powder coating section of Aero Coach factory at Bethara Industrial Estate caught fire on Monday. The exact reason of fire is not known. The loss is yet to be formally estimated. However, owner claims that 90% of the factory has turned into ashes. More than 8 fire brigades were on the site to control the fire. The owner claimed loss to the tune of 2 crore rupees.
Time they called the fire brigade, but fire brigade delayed in coming. Since then, started spreading fast.
They estimated on
We at least
2
2 crores.
crores.
Because the factory is totally gone. We have to reconstruct the factory.
You have any insurance? Insurance.
The other unit occupants of the Bethara Industrial Estate complained that the water hydrants in the industrial estate are not maintained and are out of use.
कोणी चेकिंग करू ना, कोणी एन्श्योर करू ना की हो पिरियोडीक बाबा चलता काय ना ते. Nobody has taken the responsibility of this outlet to save it from the fire.
आता ही इंडस्ट्री इतल्या लागीं आसा पूण एक कोण हांगा पावना जो वॉटर फ्लो करपाक.
एडिसीन बरो मोठो फोकस घेवपाचो कित्याक एडिसीन तर्फे व्हडलोसो रेव्हेन्यू हो सरकाराक येता.
Fire brigade officials claim they did their best.
टोटल आमी 7 ते 8 गाडयो हांगासर पावल्ल्यो आसा. म्हणजे एक सप्लाय जो उदक म्हणून आमी कंटिन्युअसली हो उजो आसा पळय तो फूल कंट्रोल केल्लो आसा. थोडो मातसो इल्लो दुसरो येता तोय आमी फूल कंप्लीट हांगा पळय तो करतले. ही रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इंडस्ट्रियल स्टेटीन पळय जी आसा ती कन्सर्न इंडस्ट्रियल स्टेटीची आसा. तेंच्यांनी हांगासर जे हायड्रंट आसा पळय ते सगळे ऑपरेशनल आसा काय ना ही आनी तेका उदक आसा काय ना हे तेंच्यांनी पळोवपाक जाय. हांगासर आमकांय जर तेंच्यांनी हेल्प कर मागले जाल्यार आमी ते वचून ते हें करूंक शकतात.
Vivek Prabhu for Prudent.
ITEC has demanded that Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar should resolve the long-pending grievances of the working people to ensure industrial peace and harmony. Trade unions submitted a memorandum to the CM.
ITEC has demanded that the Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar should resolve the long-pending grievances of the working people to ensure industrial peace and harmony. Trade unions submitted a memorandum to the CM.
2015 215 हे वर्स कामगार चळवळीचे वर्स आसतले. फेअर लिव्हिंग वेजेस व्यवस्थित कामगार वर्गाक पगार आणि सवलत्यो संरक्षण मानव आणि त्याच बरोबर कामाचेर संरक्षता हे ऑल इंडिया ट्रेड युनियन काँग्रेस या TUC या वर्सा चळवळ करतले.
Aam Aadmi Party has opposed the recent ordinance making changes in Land Acquisition Bill of 2013 by the Modi government. They submitted a memorandum to the North Goa collector on Monday. This is a part of AAP's nationwide protest.
1 2 3 4 बिक चुकी मोदी सरकार 1 2 3 4 बिक चुकी मोदी सरकार. We are protesting as Aam Aadmi Party all over India today at district levels against the draconian changes made by the central government via an ordinance to the 2013 Act, and we have submitted a memorandum to the North Goa collector to be forwarded to Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi.
ये ऑर्डिनेंस पास करना पड़ा और ऑर्डिनेंस पास करने का जो प्रोविजन बंधारण में दिया हुआ है वो एक स्पेशल स्थिति में है. जब कोई एक इमरजेंसी आती है देश के सामने और पार्लियामेंट का सेशन ऑन नहीं है तो ये ऑर्डिनेंस पास करने के लिए सरकार को अधिकार दिया हुआ है. जैसे धीरे धीरे हिटलर ने जर्मनी के लोगों को अपने साथ लेकर जिस तरह से एक मानवीय अत्याचार किए थे, ऐसे अत्याचारों की ओर ये सरकार आगे बढ़ रही है कदम बाय कदम.
Video journalist Nawaz Sheikh and Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
Let's take a short break here. Stay tuned.